Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how to exchange your Hamster Kombat coin. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Hamster Kombat into your Telegram application. And after opening Hamster Kombat, you will get to see this homepage into your screen. Now you just simply have to tap into this setting icon at the top, and from there you will get the option of choose exchange. Simply tap into that option, and after going into choose exchange, you will get to see a bunch of crypto platforms into here. Now you just simply have to choose the platforms among these many platforms which you use, and after choosing that you just simply have to tap into this good luck CEO option, and now you can withdraw or exchange these coins for the Bitcoin into any of the trading platform that you have chosen. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.